Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact YouTube account that received Superchats. This avoids confusion between channels. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio on a desktop. The mobile app hides detailed logs. Make sure to access the channel tied to payments, then go directly to the left menu where monetization or viewer interactions live. This first step establishes the correct context and permissions, so you can view each Super Chat entry without missing donations or timestamps. Once in Studio, click the Super Chat or Transactions report to surface every entry. You'll want to set a date range and currency so totals make sense. Filtering by channel or stream narrows noisy data. Use the search or donor filter to find specific supporters and examine timestamps to match chats to recordings. If you need offline review, export the CSV. It preserves messages, amounts, and transaction ID. This stage converts raw activity into a searchable, auditable list. Now review each log entry against your payment reports and video timestamps to reconcile totals. This confirms funds and message delivery. Make sure to cross-check multiple Google accounts because Super Chats can appear under a different signed-in profile. If you spot missing or mismatched entries, copy the transaction ID and retry the CSV export. Then clear cache and reload Studio. If problems persist, contact YouTube support and provide those ID. This speeds resolution and helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.